Hello there. Welcome to this really quick tutorial about how to use the IndiaHCI 2020 Discord server. So, I'm assuming that you have created an account on Discord and downloaded the desktop application, though this should work for the browser version as well. When you first join the server, you will start in the Start Here channel with this Welcome to IndiaHCI 2020 screen. The instructions over here ask you to go to the registration desk channel to register and be given attendee privileges. So hop over to the registration desk by clicking here or by directly clicking on the channel in the list to the left. And you can, as I have already done, send a message saying who you are and what your role in this conference is. An SV will check whether you have registered for the conference or not and will assign you the required privileges to see the rest of the server. Right now, you'll notice that this is really minimal. It's just about registration and any help or issues that you might be facing. Once an SV gives you a role, you would be able to see the entire server as an attendee. And you'll notice that there are a lot more things to look at. Discord is a server and it basically works using a combination of different kinds of channels. So we have text channels and voice and video channels. So in a way, Discord is essentially like Slack, but with voice and video chat, which is why we thought it was really interesting to use for IndiaHCI. Once you've registered, you can hop over to any of the text channels and start interacting with people at the conference. For example, you could just go to the IndiaHCI Lounge category, click on Introductions, and introduce yourself to the whole community. You could go to the help desk to ask questions about Discord, Zoom, Gather, or anything else about IndiaHCI, and an SV will try to address you as soon as possible. You could hop over to any of the meeting rooms, for example, and invite friends of yours from the conference to have a quick chat. Voice channels work slightly differently. You would need to click on a channel that has a speaker icon over here, as I'm doing with the tea room number 1. When you click on the channel, it will show you that your voice is connected, but you really haven't joined the call yet. To do that, you need to click on this button to turn on your camera. When you do that, your camera will show up in Discord and you will be able to interact with people who also join the same channel. You'll also be able to see who all are present in a given voice channel before you join it, so that you can decide whether or not you want to in the first place. To leave a voice channel, you can do it in two ways. You can either press this red disconnect button over here, or this slightly less red, smaller disconnect button on the left. You might have feedback messages, which you can choose not to see again. Just to make things a bit easier for you, I'll quickly go over this window. So to the left, you have this entire row of channels that you can use to interact with and read information from. The central window is the channel, so you would see the text messages or the video of the people you're talking to in this area. And to the right is a list of all participants and all people who have joined the IndiaHCI Discord server. You'll notice that they are organized as according to their roles. And you will also get a badge if you are a paper presenter, a poster presenter, and other author roles as well. You can, at any point of time, jump into the help channel to ask questions from SVs, or in any real channel, you can tag @student volunteers and send a message, and that will notify all of the student volunteers to the fact that you have a question, and they will try to address you as soon as possible. Again, this is a really short overview. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask them in the help desk over here. Thanks.